Now I would like to answer for question number 4. Question number 4. What can your bank do to thrive in the next 3 to 5 years? That is question number 3. The answer is the 6 trends suggest a vision for a high performing risk function come 2025. It will need to be a core part of banks' strategic planning, collaborative closely with businesses, and act as a center of excellence in analytics and de-biased decision making. Its ability to manage multiple risk types while complying with the existing regulation and preparing for new rules will make it more valuable still, while its role in fulfilling customer expectations will probably render it a key contributor to the bottom line. For most banks, their risk function is some way off from being able to play that role. The optimal function would have the following attributes and capabilities. See, the optimum about Indian economic growth portends well for Indian banks. There are, however, challenges in retaining profitability and growth in the next decade. The industry has to live up to the expectations for several quarters. This report highlights 10 major trends that will shape Indian banking over next decade. It identifies 2 critical and complex challenges thrown at the industry for which solution has to be found with urgency. The report outlines potential solutions and articulates key imperatives for government and regulation. The 10 major trends to watch out for are: first one, retail banking will be immensely benefited from the Indian demographic dividend. Mortgages to grow faster and will cross rupees 40 trillion by 2020. Second trend says rapid accumulation of wealth in rich households will drive wealth management to 10x size, 10 times fold. And the third trend says the next billion consumer segment will emerge as the largest in numbers and will accentuate the demand for low-cost banking solutions. Trend number 4. Branches and ATMs will need to grow 2 times and 4 times respectively to serve the huge addition to bankable population. Low-cost branch network and smaller sized branches will be adopted. That is trend number 4. Trend number 5. Mobile banking will come of age with widespread access to internet on mobile. Trend number 6. Banks will adopt CRM, customer relationship management, and data warehousing in a major way to reduce customer acquisition costs and improve risk management. Margins will be very, very thin both in retail and corporate banking, spurring banks to generate more fees and improve operating efficiency. Banks will discover the importance of SME segment. SME means small and medium scale enterprises for profitability and growth, and new models to serve SME segment profitability will be found. Trend number 9. Investment banking will grow 10 times driven by demand from corporate for transaction support and capital market access. And trend number 10 says infrastructure debt will surpass rupees 45 trillion, half of which will be on banks' books. It will touch the ALM limits of banks and will require a significant upgrade of banks' risk management systems. Thank you for watching.